Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Crocodile, because yes, you can draw a crocodile, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you are ready to get started, I am ready to show you how to make a crocodile. Here we go. So notice, first of all, that I've turned my board on its side, so I have a nice long paper instead of a tall paper, because crocodiles are very long. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by making a long oval. And it can be as long or as short as you want, but about this size. Kind of like a long, tall capital U if you turn your board upside up on its end. All right? Then you're going to make kind of a bump and another bump. So it kind of looks like a ping pong paddle almost, where it's kind of long and skinny, and then you have your roundness of our face. All right? Then we're going to take this line and we're going to make one kind of big oval starting right here. We're going to come over, and then we're going to start in the middle of this round part and make the other half of our oval. So right now we kind of have a hefty, big crocodile, and he has his big belly. What we're going to do is we're going to make a little line that follows the underside of the belly all the way across, because usually crocodiles have a softer underside. So we'll go ahead and make some little markings like this that show that it's has a different kind of belly. And then we're going to make some feet. So we're going to start by making kind of a backwards L. See how that's it's an upside, it kind of looks like a 7. And then we're going to do the same thing and follow that down. If it helps, you can erase the belly that's inside here so you can see your whole leg coming out. And then crocodiles have sharp little claws. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 sharp claws at the end of that paw. And our crocodile's back leg kind of looks like a chicken leg. It's going to be a roundy part and then a claw. So we're going to do a round, kind of like a rainbow or an upside down C. We're going to come together, kind of like an ice cream cone. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have our crocodile. We have its long snout, and we have its belly with a softer underside. We have 2 legs with very sharp claws. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give our crocodile a tail. Now, crocodile tails are kind of impressive because they're very, very long. So we're going to make our crocodile's tail go out and up and over almost. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this little line in my leg so that I can see that better. And then our tail is going to go up and over. And then we're going to curve it back and touch it to the end of its oval. All right? So we have a creature for sure, but it's definitely missing some of the details that really make this a crocodile. So we're going to go ahead and add some stuff to its face so that you can kind of get a better idea of that crocodile. So right in the middle of the skinny part of our face, we're going to make a line that goes almost to the end and then curves up just a little bit, like a smiling crocodile. Now, what I realized is that a lot of people think that crocodiles and alligators are the exact same thing, and they're not. There's a couple of main differences. One of the things that is different is the shape of their snout. An alligator has a big U-shaped snout, whereas a crocodile has more of a pointed kind of a V snout. And the other thing that is different is that crocodiles can't close their mouths all the way. And so crocodiles always have their teeth sitting out, and you can always see their teeth. So along this line, we're going to just make a bunch of little tiny triangles, and we're going to be able to see our crocodile's teeth. All right? Ferocious. Now we're going to add one nostril so that our crocodile can breathe. And then we're only going to be able to see all of one of his eyes, but we're going to be able to see one that is looking off on the other side. So we made just a little tiny rainbow on the top of the head. And then right near his other eyeball, we're going to give it an eye right there. Now, we're almost done. If you'd like, you could add little eyebrows or eyelashes to your crocodile. That's really up to you. That's some fun details that you can add. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little spikes all along the top of our crocodile's back. And the spikes look a lot like his teeth, except for instead of pointing down, they're going to be pointing up. Look. And we're going to keep on going right up that tail. If you need to turn your paper or your board so that you can get into those spots just right, that's a great way to do it. And voila! Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Yes, you can draw a crocodile because you just did. Now, maybe you were following along and you don't like the way your crocodile turned out. That's okay. I drew this crocodile 500 times before I wanted to show you guys how to draw a crocodile. And this one still came out a little bit funny, and that's okay because I know the basic ideas how to make a crocodile now, and I can do this again, and I can change the things that I don't like, and I can color it, which is my favorite part. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed drawing a crocodile with me, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click that bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.